Elisa probably about a year ago and was instantly drawn in by her energy and wanted to work with her. I didn't really even understand what a sex therapist did, but I've been working with her with my partner for a long time, and the connection and the energy and the sacredness that is brought to our intimate relationship has been just beautiful. And when I knew that she was back here in Australia, I booked immediately a yoni massage, and I had no idea what it was going to be like. I knew that I held some trauma, I knew that I wanted to really connect with my body, and I knew that I wanted to feel passion. What I got from it was just such a beautiful experience. It was so embodied. I enjoyed the whole time. I learned more about my body that I didn't know I could do. I actually squirted twice, and I've never been able to do that. And just really consenting and feeling what my body actually wanted. It was a beautiful experience that wasn't just sexual, it was meditative and healing. It was a whole journey, and I'm sure I'll still be integrating, but I cannot wait to take these things home and share with my partner. But also I can't wait to book another one, and learn more about my own pleasure and desires and what my body is capable of. So thank you so much.